Good morning guys, in front of me is CMF Phone 2 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. Now mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on edit and choose okay, so at first let's remove the language that you want to get rid of, and then mark add keyboard. Now choose the language that you wish to add. Pick the layout, pick the keyboard. Let me choose this one. Tap on done. Let's go back at first with 2 languages. So once you have 2 languages, just tap on this word icon to switch between them, and you can smoothly use it. And whenever you wish to remove one from those languages, just go to languages again and remove as we did it previously, then go back, and as you can see, this word icon disappeared once you have 1 language only. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.